Las Vegas office for us is our opportunity to do an AV technology open house this week, and we really want to be able to bring people in and show them some of the latest products and technologies that Extron has to offer. But specifically for Las Vegas, we've got other offices in North America, but this really gives us an opportunity to be in an area in a market that has a lot of opportunity. So right now we're in kind of a pop-up type of scenario where we've got our working stations with the opportunity to bring customers in and to teach them about Extron products, technologies, how to get them even certified on things like control systems, AV over IP deployments, that type of thing. So this really gives us a great opportunity to connect with this local market. Just last week we introduced a couple of new products, our third generation DTP3 Crosspoint product, as well as our Charlotte 2000. So those are probably some of the highlights that we have here. But then also not to be missed is our Nav Pro AV over IP system. And that's our system that scale up, scale down, size-wise for the deployments. Gives you a lot of flexibility of deployment, and you're using that corporate network as that backbone for distributed work.